Coffee, the essence of luxury and relaxation. The Miele automatic coffee machine combines the two, giving you the very best coffee in a very simple way. Here are a few hints and tips to help you make the most of your machine. Always use fresh, cold drinking water. Only ever put whole, good quality espresso beans in the container. Store surplus beans in the fridge to keep them fresh. Close the appliance door and switch on. Wait for the machine to warm up. One press of the button is enough. The beans are ground for every cup, and hot water is forced under pressure through the ground coffee. Using the coffee machine is simple and very convenient. Individual programming and user functions are explained in the instruction book. For information on how to make the perfect espresso or cappuccino, see the Making Coffee section of the instruction book. Miele.